in Anaheim when we have the Disney fireworks. Ooh, happy face. Yes, we're all happy because it's the weekend. That's right. Damn. Disney for the win with a free fireworks show. You only get this exclusive at King Fresh. Guys, so we're pulling up right now and there's one cop here already. He seems like he's harmless, but we'll see. Alright guys, so we have 1, 2, 3 cops. We already have the chopper in the sky as well. ¿Cómo me dan ascos esto, hijo su puta? Look how active it is right here, guys. This is where the other meat's at. The cop's over there, guys. He's in the back right now. It's been very hot tonight, guys. There's cops everywhere. This guy's escorting everybody out. Guys, this guy's hella wide. Hey, he gotta take the modelos. Get the modelo. Oh! Save it, save him, save him, save him. Arre. Hey, what's up? This guy. This guy stays swinging it all the time, guys. I love his way. Woo! Slipping on the water. That's it. In the background like there's some type of fire, so look at that. todo sudado, la verga, ¿qué estás haciendo, güey? Uh-oh, he's back at it again, guys! This one has a piñata, look at this. Baby drone. Whose drone is that?
If somebody's on E.
I think the battery died. Oh, hey, let me see. I got the owner.
Yeah, someone gonna hit it.
We're saving a baby drone right here. There you go, bro. Baby drone for the win. Look who I came across, guys. I haven't seen her in a long time. She said she's part of Trayway.
Bail me out.
Oh.
Bail me out.
Somebody get her license back. So the cops ended up getting 2 cars, guys, right here.